Just let go of resistance. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment trainer, coach, and author. In this video, I want to continue to impress upon you how easy it is for the things that you want to manifest. It really only requires that you have a dominant stream of good feeling thought energy going to the law of attraction. That's positive emotion, thoughts in your day that are you're consistently really processing everything in a way that feels good to you. So whether you're thinking about your car or your hair or the past or desires or your job or yourself or the weather, your friends, your family, anything, just as you are engaged in any kind of interaction with anybody, the thoughts in your mind, the actions that you're doing, you just want it to be good feeling thoughts associated with those things. That's all it takes. It really does not take anything specific, no specific thoughts. You don't specifically have to engage in thoughts, even in your desires. You just don't have to do that. The law of attraction doesn't know if you're thinking about your hair or about your desires or the weather. The law of attraction only knows if it's high vibration energy that it's receiving from you. And if it is, the pipe is clear and it will connect you with the details for all these things that life has caused you to ask for to just float into your experience. So you want to really pay attention to your daily emotion tracker and notice anywhere there's negative emotion and look at what the topic is and then find thoughts that replace whatever those thoughts are so that the topic feels like positive emotion. And you want to keep doing that day after day, all day long, until you clean up that emotion column in your emotional tracker so it's up in the area of 90% or more positive emotion. And when you're there, the pipe is clear. But if you're choosing negative feeling thoughts on any topic for any reason, you're clogging the pipe. So somebody might say, well, I've been thinking about my car that I want, for example, and I've been having good feeling thoughts about it. And then I look at their daily emotion tracker, and sure enough, they feel the joy of the car, and they're expecting to receive it and everything. But you know, now there's, say, 40% of their emotion column because of other things going on in their life and in their day is negative. You're blocking the pipe. See, the law of attraction doesn't know that you have good feeling thoughts about the car and negative feeling thoughts about your job. It just knows there's more negative in your vibration than positive. So that's going to have an effect of what you're receiving. So it's not just positive feeling thoughts about the things that you want. It's positive feeling thoughts about those, but everything else too. It's your stream. Think about it as momentum. It's not just what you're doing with your mind now and then or on specific topics. It's all day long. So if you feel negative emotion, which is any of the negative thoughts, I do have the table in here. Let me see if I can find the table. So if you have negative feeling thoughts, so any of these emotions, they are telling you that you have resistance, that you have low vibration. And there's a lot of them. There's a lot of things that people do that we identify as negative feeling thoughts, a lot of these negative emotions. So if you're doing any of that, and your emotion tracker is showing you that, there's a good percent of your day there, then you're blocking the pipe. And so you're blocking the things that you want from receiving. So it's just like you could think good feeling thoughts about walking your dog, and that's good feeling thoughts, keeps the pipe clean. Even though that doesn't, you would think, well, how does that relate to me having a car? Well, it relates to you having a car because if you're walking your dog and you're feeling the love for your dog and the enjoyment of being outside, you're high vibration. But it works the other way too. So if you're feeling angry at somebody in your family and you want a car and you feel good about the car, but you got all this anger going on about somebody in your family, well, that's blocking the car. You see, the law of attraction doesn't know any of those details. It just knows your energy. And if it's positive emotion, you're allowing, and if it's negative emotion, you're blocking. For any reason, whatever those thoughts are, it doesn't matter. Again, could be your car, your hair, the past, desires, yourself, the weather, whatever you're thinking about going through your day, whoever you're engaging with, whatever thoughts you're having, you want them to be positive. That's the momentum. It's not in the moment or just for a few minutes. Think of momentum, that ongoing positive feeling stream of good feeling thought energy. That is what the law of attraction is responding to. So if you just let go of the resistance, notice where there's negative emotion and replace those thoughts so it's going to a positive place in 30 to 90 days. And once you get that cleaned up to, say, even if you're increasing, even 80%, 90%, 90% plus, if you're moving up, you're progressing, you're increasing more positive emotion in the run of a day, you're in the process of trending towards more positive emotion to the law of attraction, more high vibration energy. So you're cleaning out the pipe. So as you increase your positive emotion, then you're starting to create this situation. So you're allowing for more flow, more flow, more flow, more flow. And then you get to the point where it's really flowing. So again, you can clean it up a lot in 30 to 90 days and see some changes start to happen. And then when you keep it going, then it becomes a habit, and that's the way of your natural thinking mind, is to be in those good feeling places, and then your life just will continually be that way. It'll flow in the ways that you want. And so you want to stop pulling. Your vibration is naturally high, but a negative feeling thought will pull it down. So if you stop doing that, that'll naturally float up. Of course, when you introduce a thought that feels good, then it's going to naturally bring your vibration to a higher level. So that's the message for the video today. Is I want you to realize that this is a very easy process. There's nothing specific that you need to do. If you just go through your day, just naturally feeling thankful for things, appreciating, being kind, understanding, compassionate, just finding the good feeling side of things, enjoying the things that you really like, finding the parts of the things that you really like. All these things just constitute a high vibration, and it keeps the pipe clean, and then you'll be receiving inspired action, and all the other pieces will flow in the details so that you're connecting with the things that you want. So make it easy on yourself. This really is an easy process. Just let go of the resistance. Your vibration is naturally high, and everything's going to flow for you. And then it's just a matter of trusting that that is the way that it works. And if you understand the creative process, that helps you with your trust a whole lot. And certainly those easy intentions do as well. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for today. Thanks for listening in. And if you have any questions, leave them on the post, and have yourself a great day.